Alana with J. Blue Jewelry, and today I'm opening up my Vintaj VIP box. This is $39.99 a month, and all the components in there are made in the USA. And they always have a lot of really cool stuff, so I'm excited to see what's in this month's box. Let's see if I can get this open. There we go. There's my bill. So this is their inspiration project card to this month. I've got some really cool ideas here. There's a picture of what is in this particular box, and then some more ideas. We also have some free products this month, sponsored by Green Girl Studios and Swarovski Crystal. All right. So also we get special sales as a VIP member. How cute, and they always send a sticker. I like to put these on my travel bead board. Let's open the first bag here. And this is always a really great value. Vintage pieces are high quality, and they always send a generous amount. So it looks like there's this little, I don't know what to call it, almost like a wreath, which would be cool if you painted these little leaves with some of the vintage patinas. This is cute, reminds me of a feather. I'm thinking maybe something like this. That'd be cute. There's a couple of these little leaf pieces. Looks like a bird. I really like that. Really like that. And you can see that this is not flimsy metal. So if you do need to be bending it, turning it, or making bales or anything, you're gonna need the special pliers to do that. There's a nice filigree piece right here. Okay, so that's the first bag. There's 4 bags in here, 5 bags. Couple nice copper looking components here. A leaf. I like this leaf. I really like this leaf. This could be really good for stamping. Maybe it's a bracelet or a pendant. Lots of possibilities. There's a cute little dragonfly. And a couple links. All right, so for this month, this is from Green Girl Studios. I've subscribed now for 3 months, so I really like what they're making with this, or what they send out in this. It's a little heart with a rose in it. I love this. And it says, "Life is a rose, beware of the thorns." So that's gorgeous. And then this is our Swarovski Crystal. It's really pretty. And then they always send a bag of beads and crystals. So for this one, there's these little bird beads. They're so cute. I don't know what the material is. It feels like it's resin maybe. These are cute. I like that. And it looks like there's some gemstone beads in here this month. My guess is either dyed turquoise, dyed howlite, or magnesite. It doesn't really tell us what kind of what the beads are, but these are gemstone. This looks like aventurine, which is quartz. That's really pretty. Some more of these little heshy beads. And we've got some check glass flowers here with a nice, I believe that's Picasso finish. There's another aventurine. What I believe is aventurine. And then the rest of these look like they're check glass, so there's some leaves. Those are really pretty. I like that. Looks like 4mm fire polish beads. There's 6 of them. Some little drops. Some ovals. And little rectangular beads as well. So there's a lot of different things in here this month. You get a lot for $40. Like these Green Girl Studios, they usually go for $10 to $15 online if you look on the Vintaj website. And these are handcrafted. I follow them on Instagram. So you're also supporting small businesses, local small businesses. It's always a good thing to help support. Yeah, so there's all these different little things. I'm very excited about this month's box. So make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel for more unboxing videos. Like my Facebook page and my Instagram, and you'll see what I've been making. Also, for those curious about my nails, these are dip nails. I've used the Revel nail polish. This is a mood-changing nail dip powder, I should say. And that's Pegasus, and this is from the Northern Lights set. So I'll leave a link if you want a coupon code for any of that. And I'll also leave a link if you're interested in the Vintaj VIP box. So thank you again for watching, and I'll see you again soon with more videos.